How to add Google Map location to Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add Google Maps location to Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Google Maps. After you open up your Google Maps, simply select any place that you want to add. So let's say this is the place that I want to add on my uh, Instagram. If I want to do that, I'll just have to tap on that location. And after I do that, I'll then need to share this location. So here you'll find the share option. Tap on share. And now you can copy the link for this place. So copy the link. And after you've copied the link, you can then head over to Instagram. After you open up your Instagram, head over to your profile on the bottom right. And after you're on the bottom right profile, you can tap on edit profile from here. And after you do that, scroll down a bit. There you should find the links option. Tap on links. And now you can add an external link. And now you paste the link that you just copied. Now here you can give a title. Let's say supermarket and tap on done. After doing that, just wait while this loads. And if I now head back to my bio, you'll notice that there has been an additional link which I can tap on. And there you can see I've just added the Google Map location on my Instagram. And that's basically how you do this. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.